Hello and welcome to my transmedia project. Here we are on the home page of the website, which is the main hub of the project. You can see that the project is called Robots vs. Fairies. It's a fantasy world story that centers around an ongoing 1,000-year war between robots and fairies, hence the name. So if we click on this arrow here, a new slide pops up which reveals to us a little bit about the world and its history, introduces the fancy world of Pandilis, which is a great magical land in a faraway galaxy. And then if we click on it again, we see a little bit of the state that the world is in right now. It introduces us to the 5 great races and the 1,000-year war. And if we press it again, brings it back to the home page. At the top here we have the navigation bar, which we can use to navigate the whole website. So if we hover over the characters, we can see that there's 3 different race pages: fairies, humans and robots. You can either click on any of these pages or click on the character page, which is what I'm going to do. And on the character page you can see these 3 races, which would probably be better called, this page would probably be better as a race page. Hopefully eventually all the races will be on this page, but at the moment we only have 3, and if you hover over them, see the names pop up of the race and a little prompt pops up, which you can click on to discover more about the race. So here we are on the fairies page, which gives us a little description about the fairies and also a list of different fairies that we have in the story in the world. We see a little name for them and a description of what they are in the world. So we have Fairy Queen, we have the Royal Guard Admiral here. All of these will eventually feature in some of the stories of the world. If we go back up to the navigation bar, you can click on humans, which will take us to the human race page. Again, we have a description for it and the characters that might feature in the stories of the world, like the Empress of the Crimson Empire, Alicia Tinatus. It's the same for the robots page. Here we can see the robot Hive Mind, Optimus Imperator, also, and a cute robot called Max 2. If we go over here back up to the navigation, you can see the world page. If we click on that, we get a description of the world. And the little atlas thing that shows us the planet description. And then there's a map over here that shows us the world. There's little place markers. And that, if you hover over, will bring up a city. I'll bring the title of the city and a little picture of what the city would look like. So then if we hover over, say, Summer Harbour, we click on it, and a little light box pops up. It enlarges the image, so we can get a better look of what the city looks like, and it also gives us a description of what it is. So say we click on City of Solace. There'll be a description that relates to the story and gives us a little context. So if we go back up, we can click on stories. Here there's 3 stories, say a brief history. If you click on read, it will take you to an Adobe Spark page which has the story on it. If we scroll down, it's seamless scrolling, so it's easy to navigate, and it just tells us a little bit about the race and the world. And it has pictures relating to whatever the text is showing. If you close it and go down to friends, it's similar. This is a story about a robot called Max that we saw earlier. He saves a fairy from a prison and defects back to the fairy capital. And yeah, pretty interesting story, pretty fun. If we close that, we can go to Crash Landing, click on read. This will take us to a Twine page. It's an interactive story where we begin. We're a space explorer who crash lands on Pendelese, and here you can make decisions of what happens with the thing. So click here, when he's crash landing, you can either eject or emergency land. If you click on emergency land, you'll still have to eject your seat. But yeah, there's also other decisions to make, different tracks that could lead to different outcomes of the story. You run into some fairies, you hear voices. Here, eventually end up in Pendelese and discover the mystical world. And that's where it ends. And you can head back to the main page of the website. If you go back here to this point, you can either take a rest or keep going. If you take a rest, you'll end up with the fairies. If you keep going, you'll end up not seeing anyone and you'll miss out on the mystical world. Again, it will take you back to the home page. If you click on here, you can see the different passages that you could take in the story. Just a little background of the Twine page. Yeah. So yeah, that was my project, transmedia project. It's fun to well build. Thank you.